love balloons, don't you? And those ones are full of hydrogen, your favorite explosive gas. What a beautiful cake! Ooh, look who's coming. He's brought a combination of 1/3 air to 2/3 hydrogen. Yes, that'll be loud. A dressing up basket. What fun! Earmuffs, goggles, all sorts. Now, what will they do to entertain themselves? Of course, highly explosive balloons and a flame. Yes, what did I expect? I'd cover my ears if I was you. Flippin' heck! That was toasty. Hydrogen goes up in a fireball, but it's not as loud as the other balloon. That's 1/3 air, 2/3 hydrogen. The air makes the hydrogen angry. Okay, here it comes. Fingers in ears. Entertainment. Thank heavens it wasn't oxygen and hydrogen. Now that would blow your teeth out. Now that cake looks to me like 2 delicious layers of sponge, raspberry jam filling, and what flavor icing? Oh yes, thermite. Thermite? But don't you know thermite is a powdered mixture of iron oxide and aluminium that burns at 2,500 degrees? Brainiacs! Brainiacs! Oh no, they can't hear me because of those silly earmuffs. No! No! Don't do it, Brainiacs! You'll burn the theater down! Look! It's Brainiac Day! Yes! He's brought you a present, Brainiac Ned! Blimey, that was close. And what's he brought? One little balloon. How sweet. Wait a minute. That's half oxygen, half hydrogen. No wonder it's got no mates. That's a moving loud bang right there. Come on now, Brainiacs. Be reasonable. Now this is just silly. Put that down immediately. I'm telling you this will end in tears.